Sunny good morning from windy Edinburgh, and today on this glorious Sunday, when you're watching this video it's on Sunday, but that doesn't matter. We're here at the Silverknowes promenade and we're heading towards Cramond Island, and I'm gonna show you the drone video. Nonetheless, today I will be taking photos with my Sony A7IV camera and 70-200 f2.8 G Master second generation lens to showcase the capabilities of that lens and how amazing those photos are. So let's go for a walk and we're gonna take a couple of snaps and I'm gonna feature them in this video. So let's go. So far, you can see the photos I took with that lens during the recent trip to Scottish Highlands. But now, I'll show you the photos I took today. So at the end of the day, we decided to go to the Cramond Island, and here behind me are the pylons. And as far as I'm aware, and I remember right, they were built to prevent the U-boats, submarines, going around the island during, I think, Second World War? Honestly, can't remember. I read all the stuff here in the wee Cramond Museum here, but I'm gonna put a text down below underneath the video. Nonetheless, I'm going to take a couple of photos from an island towards the city, so you'll see the scapes of Edinburgh seen from Cramond Island. So we managed to get to Cramond. As you can see, the gear is here. And yeah, took a couple of snaps, not too many. Ania is taking photos as well. And I'm gonna show you what's behind me, because the view is absolutely spectacular. We're walking just now on the beach on the Cramond Island. And I have to admit, this lens is absolutely amazing. It's considerably lightweight for 70-200, internal zoom so there's no dust coming in, and the aperture ring. This feature it should be on every single lens on the market. It's absolutely fantastic. So part of videography, photography, water sports, once I'll be fit again to actually go kite surfing, wakeboarding and stand-up paddleboarding, that'll be amazing. Nonetheless, let me know if you want to connect more with Edinburgh, with Scotland, through the screen and through my lens. Because I'm really keen to be more involved with the community on the YouTube channel. Not only the reviews, unboxings, but just live and community. So let me know in the comment sections, because that's very valid for me. Well, what's now? Oh yes. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, that always helps. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and then hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. I think it's time to go. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers! bye.